this is Richard with Camel City Roofing, back with another video on how not to install a roof. So I got called by a customer and said they hired somebody to install a metal roof for them and were having some issues and had to kick them off the job because they didn't like the way they were installing the roof, and I can see why. This is another one of those instances of how bad some of these roofers are out there and how bad of an install this is, or so-called roofers. But anyway, I'm gonna flip the camera around, let you take a quick look at this and let you get blown away by what I see here. So what we've got is they have decided to install metal, put down some 1x to install it to. Well, they are installing this over 3 layers of shingles. And they were going to install metal on this flat roof. Take you over here. I'm going to be really careful to walk because of the spacing. But right there you have a shingle roof pipe boot that has been installed on a metal roof, cut wrong and just screwed down right on top of the metal roof. Come back over here, got to be really careful as I walk over here. Some sort of attempt at underlayment. Look at the spacing on these boards. This is how they plan to install it. You have to be really careful. These shingles are slick. Tar on the ridge cap. Even better. That's how they've cut. There's no ventilation. Look at the spacing that they were going to use on those 1x's. I don't know how well you can see that valley. I don't know if I can zoom in. Looked like he was drunk. Yeah, that's how they sealed the top of it. Just slap a bunch of tar. And then how they cut that valley. No transition. Just bent the metal across there. Not sure how they planned on flashing that chimney, but I'm sure they were just gonna tar it, which looks like what they did. Just put the panel up, put some tar around it, hope that seals it. Even the pipe boot right there, they use some Flex Seal around the pipe boot. But anyway, again, there we go, back again. Richard with Camel City Roofing with the second episode, I think, of how not to install a roof. Take care, everybody.